Hi everyone, this is next in the series of missed diagnosis in the general sonography, a case of breast. This is a 14-year-old girl, painful lump in left breast, noted for 3 days, and this was the uh, uh, scan of the breast, transfer scan of the left breast, and you see an echo poor mass. And on color Doppler, there was flow seen, and there was an enlarged lymph node in axilla. So these were seen in the previous scan and reported as Cori malignancy. And this was a doctor's child appearing for board exams in a few days, referred for second opinion. So this scenario is to illustrate the importance of clinical features, basic physics, and keen observation. If you would like to listen to the workup of the case, please log on to sonoshare.in. Look and listen to the lecture under misdiagnosis general sonography scenario 1. Thank you.